Hello, I welcome you all to this lesson, even as I teach you these two questions, how you can find the dy dx of the following. So we'll start with this first one. How can we find dy dx of that? So you know that for you to find dy dx, we say dy dx is equal to, there is this formula where we say nax to the power n minus 1. What does it mean? This means that you are going to be multiplying. N here is the power. So n is the power. Don't forget this. N is the power. We've got a. A is the coefficient. Don't forget this. A is the coefficient. We also have x. X is the what? X is the variable. Don't forget this. So now, for you to differentiate this, to find the dy dx. So if you are told to find dy dx, it is just the same as you are told to differentiate. How can you differentiate this? You'll be multiplying power times coefficient. X will be maintained. Then power minus 1. This is what you'll be doing on each part. This part, this part, this part, this part. So how many terms do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to differentiate on 4 parts. So let us start the process. So hope you've understood this part. Okay, so we start. I multiply 3 times 4. Power times coefficient. 3 times 4, that is 12x. Then power, which is 3 minus what? Minus 1. This is what I'm going to do. I say minus. The power is 2 times 1 over 2, like this. But you know that this 2 and that 2 can cancel out. You are just going to remain with the 1. So you can't say 1x squared then minus 1. You can't say 1x. You just remove the 1 here. You remain with x. Then plus, this is x, 1 minus 1. So there is 1 there. 1 times 1, you find 1. I can't say 1 there. So I just leave it like this. Then here, under differentiation, you cannot differentiate a constant number. So just leave it like that. If you want, you can say minus 0 because it won't affect anything. You say this is the dy dx. So we continue with this where we say dy dx. So dy dx is now equal to what? This is 12x squared minus x, that is just x, plus what? Plus 1. How did I come up with 1 there? You know that you're going to have x power 0. Anything less to the power 0 is 1. So x power 0 is 1. That's why there is a 1 here. Meaning that this is your what? This is your answer. This is what you are supposed to do. So we've answered this part. We now move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. The next question, I move to the next question. The next question was y is equal to square root of x. So for you to answer this, you need to interpret this. So when I say square root of x, it means that it is x raised to the power 1 over 2. This is what it means. So square root of x, this is the meaning. So meaning that this is just the same as y is equal to x to the power 1 over 2. So you say dy over dx, dy dx, not dy over, so it's dy dx, which is equal to, here the coefficient is 1. So half times 1, what is your answer? So you just get half like this. This is what you are going to do. Then x maintains. Then the same power which is there, 1 over 2, you say minus 1. This is what you are going to do. the power minus 1. So let me write it here. Your final answer will be y dy dx is equal to 1 over 2, then x to the power what? To the power negative 1 over 2. So if you write it here, I can understand, there is no problem. But since there is a negative there, this can also be written. So if you've got challenges with mathematics, if you know that you don't want to put yourself in a deeper level of thinking, you can just end there. But if you understand what you're doing, there is a negative. This is just the same as 1 over 2, then x to the power 1 over 2. Where you know that power 1 over 2, it is just the same as 1 over 2 root x. This is also the answer, 1 over 2 root x. You can write this one, I will still mark you, or this one. It is just one and the same thing. So these are the answers that I expected from you people. Thank you so much.